In this lesson, we're going to compare fractions using a model. So if we have a problem like this one that says, which fraction is greater, 6 over 8 or 6/8 or 6 over 10 or 6/10? So we could just take a look at these circles, okay? And we can notice that both shapes have 6 parts that are colored in, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one also has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the shapes that are colored in for the blue circle are larger. See how they're bigger? These ones are smaller. And the reason for this is that the blue circle is cut up into 8 pieces only 8. And this is cut up into 10 pieces. The pink circle is cut up into 10 pieces. So more of the blue circle is shaded, and you could actually just see it with your eyes. So all of this is shaded for 6/8, but for 6/10 it stops only up to here. If it were to be equal to the blue one, we would have more shaded, including this, to make it equal. But there isn't. So we know that this is less than 6/8. So we know that 6/8 is greater than 6/10. Okay? And you can just see it. And that's the end of that lesson. So if you want to watch that again, if you want to understand it a little bit better, just rewatch the video. As well, if you want, you could take a look at the description. There's other videos there that are related to this. There's links there. You can go and take a look. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. And there's a link in the ebook to this exact video, so you could watch as you review the notes in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.